Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to talk to you about a certain service. This service is, of course, related to AI in our time. Some guys wrote to me, asked me to check it out. I did, and I want to say that I liked it, and I would like to recommend it to you to try it out, just in case it might be useful to someone. The idea of this service is to unite ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all models under one subscription in one service. There are actually many such services, but this is the first one I tried myself, because before this I used each subscription separately and paid for it separately. Now I have switched and I'm using it for now. Let's take a look. As I already said, this is exactly a service. As I already mentioned, this is a service that combines everything in one subscription: video generation, writing, and the use of all image generation models. So here they make a comparison that on their platform it's $24 a month and all other platforms are $20. Midjourney is $30. I don't know why it says 24 here. Maybe it's a mistake because their starter plan starts at $9 a month and you can try all their features. The difference between the plans is only in the number of generations, the number of message uses. So here in the starter plan, there are 1000 messages. In the premium model, 5 image generations, or rather 30 image generations, 5 video generations. Here, the one that costs 18, it's 15 video generations and 100 image generations. All models, I want to say, are available there, which are available on the market. When they wrote to me, I saw that they didn't have Gemini 2 and 2.5 Pro, which I use often. So I wrote to them saying, well, it's not relevant yet because there's no 2 and 5 Pro Gemini model. And they informed me that they were going to add it soon. And literally 2 weeks later, it appeared on their website. So let's take a look at their interface. We go to the dashboard, and as you can see here on the left, there's the dashboard itself, which we can use to select any model. Look, they already have GPT-5, 4.04, 4041 Mini, O1, Llama, Claude, DeepSeek. So, well, all the top ones on the market are here. Then there is also AP Playground, where you can accordingly choose any model on one side, on the other, and write a single prompt to see and compare the results from each model. Recent chats are the previous chats you had. Image generation. Accordingly, the same thing here. You can choose any model available here from the popular ones. Also, the color palette, the size of the picture, its style, and some additional settings, more for advanced users. There's even music generation. I haven't used it, but here are there are several models from Meti and Google. You can generate music, give it a try. Let's look at the video. There is Kling, VO2, VO3 fast, also very useful for some. And interestingly, it updates every month. So if you don't constantly generate videos, this service is perfect for you, because you can generate 5 videos this month, 5 videos next month. And here are some additional tools. So here you can connect YouTube via a PDF file, a website, and generate a mind map based on this resource. Flashcards, PDF chat, so you can apparently upload a PDF file and chat about it, find out some questions. I wonder what size is supported here. I haven't tried this. And writing library. Here they have added, as you can see, a lot of different tools. As I understand, this is most likely system models with system prompts. Yes, models, probably some already described with some system prompts that can be used, and they are tailored for specific things that are described respectively in each of these blocks. Somewhat poetic. Well, I don't know how relevant this is to everyone, but I mainly use it. It's the API playground, comparing models and playing around with generating images, music, not music, but videos. I also play around with those. Look here. It turns out we should have a counter here. Let's take a look. Here is the image generation. See? 19 credits left. So every time you generate, 1 credit is deducted. And on all such tools, you can see that I have 1 credit left for video generation. If we open the tools, then for each tool, they will probably be different. Well, 927 points left. You can add a video here. And the interface, English is supported here. Russian is available. Unfortunately, Ukrainian is not. This is the service I wanted to tell you about. And the guys gave me a discount for my subscribers. So either enter the promo code, which you can see below the video, or there will also be a link. Follow it, register, and you will get a 30 or 25% discount. I don't remember exactly right now, but it's worth trying, especially if you periodically send prompts to one LLM or another. Here they are all gathered in one place, and it's very convenient, especially if you often send prompts to one LLM model or another and don't know how to compare them. Here in one place, you can compare one-to-one prompts, send and view both results, and choose which one is better. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it, subscribe to the channel, leave comments, do everything I always ask you to do, because the frequency of content release depends on it.